Okay guys, today we're having something that you guys been requesting so much. So I'm gonna be doing something really simple to show you guys how you can incorporate if you do theme lunches, and it's really simple. So what I'm making is just a spider. So what you do is get a slice of bread and you just get a round cookie cutter, and you just kind of like cut the bread out in circles, and you do that, and then I'll show you the next stage. Okay, so once you have the body of the spider cut out, you're going to use pretzel sticks for the arm, and I found these candy eyeballs in our local grocery store. It's edible. Or you could use milk chocolate for the eyes. For the filling, I'm gonna use peanut butter and strawberry, and I will show you guys what it looks like.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place we all make and just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Good morning guys, and welcome to week 9. Can you believe that? Week 9, and there's lots of improvement. There's lots of improvement going on around here, because guess what? We have a spider. And I know I told you guys we don't celebrate Halloween, but a lot of you guys have been asking for ideas in terms of what to give your kids that's Halloween inspired, or I guess, but I figure I would do something really simple, and I showed you guys in the clip before how to make these little spiders. So even though my spiders look like they're a bit frightened, it's okay. And I was gonna use the chocolate for eyes, but whatever. Mommy! So yes, baby, it's okay. Go get dressed, put some pants on, it's cold outside. Can you get her dressed for me? So the children are gonna have the peanut butter and jelly sandwich with pretzel stick hanging out from the side and candy eyeballs, basically. And pretzel sticks, I forgot to put their I forgot to put their peanut butter, but it's okay, they can eat the dry pretzel. They're gonna have some mandarin and some tomato that I'm trying to get rid of. I've had these for the longest. Jordan's gonna have a little bite, and this is a chocolate chip muffin, and he's gonna have a fruit refresher, and this is the apple. Destiny's having the same exact thing, except for snacks she's having a roasted mixed nut, and then for juice she's having the berry punch. Jaxson is having little bites, and I believe this is the party cake flavor, and he's gonna have a rum water, and this is the berry rapids, and he has peanut butter because I was able to, yeah, I don't know, he has peanut butter. So I hope he likes it. His spider had to be a little crooked because it's kind of hard to put anything creative in the Bentco box. It's very small, and it's the reason why I'm not really a fan of it, because yeah, it limits you on what you can do. Over here, Jason's having the same exact thing, except he's having a chocolate chip and he's having a warm water. And I will see you guys after school today. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share as much as you possibly can, just to keep my motivation going to do these videos. See you guys after school today. Okay guys, so it's after school on Monday. This is Jordan. He brought the tomatoes back. Madison. He brought the tomatoes back like I knew he would. I don't know why. Why didn't you eat the tomatoes? Me? Yeah. Why didn't you eat tomatoes? What? It's a question. Answer it. Why didn't you eat your tomato? Okay, Jackson, what did you eat?
I ate my little bites and almonds.
You ate everything? Good job, Gio. Destiny?
You know those big kind of tomatoes? When you eat it and bite it, all the tomato stuff goes into your mouth.
In your mouth. Good job. All that nutrient goes in your body. That's what I'm feeding you for, so you can be strong and healthy.
Jason.
Good job, Jason. Good job. So, back to you. What's wrong with the tomatoes? What's wrong with the tomatoes?
The taste of it.
We're just gonna ignore Jordan because he didn't eat it. We're gonna ignore you because you didn't eat your tomato. Wasting food. You know, there's kids in this world that would do anything. Not Africa, not just in this country, that would give anything to have just a tomato to eat. And you're over here talking about, I don't like the taste. You don't like the taste, and there's children starving. You need to be appreciative of what you have. Do you understand me? And whatever I send to you, you're going to eat it, because there's nothing wrong with it. I'm not feeding you poison, and I'm not feeding you stuff that's not good for you. You work through it. Do you understand me? That's with anything in life. You can't just say, try it, and like, oh, I don't like it, I'm just going to give up. No. You're going to work through it, and you're going to overcome, and you're going to be what? Successful in everything that you do. Do you understand me? So next time I give you something you don't like, you work right through it, and you swallow, and you take a sip of your nice juice and eat your fun snack, whatever is in your lunch bag. Eat it. Eat it. Do you understand me? It's good for you. Anyways, they don't have school tomorrow. Well, they do. They do have school tomorrow.
It's a half day.
But it's a half day, so they don't have to. They don't have to take lunch. So I will see you guys on Wednesday.
But if you're gonna make vlogs tomorrow, you can like film it.
You can have the tomato.
I like tomato.
You do? Good job. Good morning, guys, and welcome to Wednesday's lunch. Today, yes. Yesterday was Tuesday. They had half day, so they didn't really need a lunch, so we didn't have a lunch. So today we have an owl. Does that look like an owl? I hope it's an owl. It just looks like a whole bunch of jumbo mumbo. Blueberries and banana, grapes, tomato, carrot. I meant to pack ranch. So I'm gonna add ranch to this. Hershey. This is Hershey pudding. I think it's a pudding, I don't know. Their his spoon for his pudding, his juice, and for snack he's gonna have a cashew. So Dustin's having the same exact thing, except she's having a rice pudding, and she's having roasted mixed nut, Nature Valley. Jackson is having a mashup of things. I want to get him used to eating things that touch, because he's like, so we shall see how he does with that in this. So his is a tortilla, and I just stack them. So there's like 3 stacks of peanut butter to make it easy for him. I hope I made it easy for him. But and then he has half of a banana instead of a whole one, and a bunch of fruit around it, and his rice pudding, Belvita snack packs, his juice, and his spoon. And then Jaxson is having the same exact thing, except he's having a Hershey's pudding, and he has the cashew bar for his snack. So I will see you guys after school today. Okay guys, so it's after school on, turn that light on. It's after school on Wednesday. This is Jordan. He didn't eat he didn't eat the blueberries. He ate some of the vegetable, and he left some stuff, grapes. Jaxson did really well. Good job, Jaxson.
You know I like everything.
I know you do, baby. Jaxson left his banana. Ew, that's disgusting. Huh? It wasn't rotten.
It was soggy. It's soggy now.
It was soggy this morning when you ate your lunch? Yours was soggy? No?
Mine tasted good.
Yeah, me too.
Yours wasn't soggy, was it?
No.
No?
Mine was.
So how's he saying his was soggy?
No, I think it didn't get soggy. I think it just, if you leave it in there for, like that. If you leave it like that, it will start.
Yeah, but it wasn't left in there long enough for it to turn brown.
No.
Jaxson.
No, when I
And-
saw Jaxson's banana, it was half brown. And
Half brown?
Good.
But it's still good.
Yeah, well,
most
this is
of
this is the first week of creative lunches,
Yeah.
and we won't be doing that anytime soon. It's just so that people know. Well, it's just to show others how to do really fun stuff. But this is also the consequence of doing
I don't want to wash that.
really creative stuff. Is the food gets wasted and stuff.
I
So
want the blueberries.
lesson learned. We're gonna stick to just our plain Jane lunches. We just throw everything
in there and see if it tastes good.
We're not gonna throw everything, but I'm saying
We'll see you.
we're just gonna just do what we do.
Like no.
Here's just normal lunches, right?
Sometimes we do creative.
But we'll try to see if we can do normal tomorrow. Tomorrow is taco, peanut butter and jelly taco. You don't want it? Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Welcome back. Riddle of the day. Let's bring those back. What is at the end of a rainbow? Answer that and you will get a special shout out in the next video. Jordan, I don't know what happened this morning. I was supposed to be doing toddler. No. I was supposed to be doing strawberry sushi roll, but I end up with banana wrap. So yeah. So you have your fruit, your protein, and your carbs all in one. These are good. Back to what I was saying. Good things. Potato, sweet potato. Jordan's having that for snack. One of you guys suggested, I will put the name on here if I find it, that we should try flip yogurt. So here it is. This is your recommendation. So they're gonna have Chobani flip, and this is in the peanut butter and peanut butter dream. His juice, his spoon for his yogurt. Destiny's having the same thing, except she's having a Belvita snack packs, blueberry, and her flip is cookies and cream. I hope she likes it. Jaxson is having Belvita, but he's having the chocolate flavored one. He's having cinnamon bun fun. Okay, I hope he has fun. And Jaxson is having a cashew bar. Jaxson's having a cashew bar. And his flip is chocolate haze craze. So I will see you guys after school. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. And this is the last day of week 9, I believe. It's fairly simple. This is the lunch I call I'm not in the mood. And it's easy, it's simple, it still incorporate every single food group that the children need in their day, and yet still it helps me to be able to get more stuff done in the morning instead of fussing over what they're going to eat. So the first thing Jordan is going to have is a whole milk Stonyfield Organic Kids, and it's strawberry banana. I don't know how good that is. It was on sale, so I just grabbed it. He's gonna have some cucumber. I didn't put anything on it, so it's just plain. Less chances of him not eating it, so it's just plain, no dressing. Some black grapes and strawberry. He's gonna have a Uncrustable peanut butter and grape jelly sandwich. These are a lifesaver. What I do is I just stack up on them, and when I'm running late, or if I don't have time, or I don't feel good in the mornings or whatever, I just pop them out the freezer, and there they have something that has proteins and all that good stuff in there. And then we have some Annie's cheddar bunnies, and the good thing is that it's frozen, so by the time they go to eat it, it will be already thawed out. And he's gonna have some fruit refreshers. Destiny is having a Danimals, and I gave her this one because she's very picky, so I don't want to try her with this and then she doesn't eat it, so I gave her this one because I know she likes this. She's gonna have some black grapes, one little red grape because Maddie didn't eat it for breakfast, so it's in there, and strawberry, and her cucumber, her Uncrustable, and these are little mini muffins, and this is in the party cakes flavor. There's 4 little muffins in there, and her juice. Mr. Jackson, to make it easy for him and have everything in front of him, I decided to take his Uncrustable and cut it, and this is what it looks like on the inside if you guys have never seen one. And he has some grapes, his strawberry, his cucumber, his juice, and he got a fruit snack and a yogurt tube. Jason is having yogurt tube, cucumber, grapes and strawberry, crisp and thin Ritz little cracker thing, sea salt, Uncrustable, and his juice. There is no after school today because of me wanting to get the video up to you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this week worth of lunch videos, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.